Welcome to another episode of Freefall RC oh damn, shoot. Yeah, no, not the podcast. This is a video from Steve from Freefall RC Podcast. And today what I'm going to go over is the Synergy E5 Super Stretch, okay? To kind of go over what parts I ordered or picked up. Right, so let's see. So first of all, to do the stretch, obviously you're going to need some E7 tail booms. Okay, love it. Comes 2 set, and I believe this is the same that I have on the wall for the N7. So technically, I probably didn't need to get this. I had one on the wall, but you know, that's cool. Doesn't hurt to have. Okay, with the longer tail boom, you're gonna need the longer torque tube. Okay, with the torque tube, how am I gonna do this? So I opted to buy everything new. I think I have some more O-rings, but to buy the torque tube ends, the retainers, the pins for the torque tube, and let's see, the bearing holders, the retainers for that, even the bearings, and the O-rings. Now, you do need 2 sets. I only bought one, but I believe I have one from previous when I put my N7 in. All right, with that, you're gonna need your tail boom supports, and with the tail boom supports, you're gonna need your tail boom ends. Now, epoxy, JB Weld, there's holes purpose for nitro application. You definitely want to tap this, you know, servo screw, cut the ends off, or you know, even a probably not an M2 by 10, maybe an M2 by 20 or 15. But yeah, boom support with the ends. Then you're gonna need your tail push rod or control rod, and with that you're gonna need your tail push rod ends, and then your ball links. Okay. Now, if you were to buy an E5 and want to do the stretch right away, a lot of these parts you're not gonna need to get, right? You're not gonna need to get the boom support ends or your ball links or your tail push rod ends. You're not gonna need any of the torque tube accessories or parts that go with the torque tube, right? You just need to buy the longer torque tube. Couple other things I need to get, so let me put this by the torque tube stuff, is for bigger blades, you're gonna need the Synergy blade bolt adapter, the 5mm adapter, and then your nylon nut and your 5mm shouldered you know, main blade. It's 5x35. I'll kind of go over the parts number, and I'll take a picture of the parts number so everyone, so you can see exactly what you need to get. So next, we're gonna need a vertical tail fin. Now, I bought the 766 one from Shannon because, you know, my N7 went in and I couldn't find the N7 or E7 one online in stock, so I just bought a 766 and figured if I have to modify it, you know, no biggie. Okay, so since I had to put an order with Matt, I was like, well, let me order the E7 one, and I don't know, they look exactly the same to me, so I guess they are the same. All right, and then your 11-tooth spur gear. Okay, so I'm gonna get these set aside, and what I'm gonna do is, as I do my rebuild, I'll come dig in here and get the parts I need for the E5 Super Stretch.